Students can do a think, pair, share. So, first, they're going to answer a question. So, you're going to have a question, and you will either use Cami to type out your question or have it preloaded by using maybe this Google slide and just adding it right underneath the question. Once students have that question, they're going to then write out their ideas first. That's where that think comes into play. So again, they're going to have that question. They're then going to either write, maybe use audio, video to record their ideas when it comes to that question. Then they're going to share. They're going to listen to their table. They're going to talk with other people in their group and share their ideas. Once they are finished with that, you're going to set maybe a minute, 2 minute timer, and students will come in here and again type, write their ideas from what they learned from that sharing activity. And then that is how students will kind of think first. They're going to talk with partners. And then after they talk with partners, we're going to come together as a whole class and share all of our ideas together.